All right, guys, we just installed the decorative stone package. This is something we install on a lot of our homes. And take a look how it really dresses up the front of this house. This is a brand new staircase in the front here. It's about 9 feet wide. And we wrapped the entire staircase with these decorative stone. We came around the edge here, and look at the corner here, wraps around. Remember, this is all from here over. We added both floors, completely wrapped around the house there. We have a 2-car garage also in the back that we added. But look at how everything came together, especially with this decorative stone package. It really adds a nice little extra touch to the front of the house. It complements the siding. This particular color is called Calgary. It's a dry stack stone and goes good with a gray type of color. They have a couple other colors. One is Flint, which is more in the brownish family. But either way, this really looks nice, and I just wanted to show you. It's part of our package offers that we offer with our homes, and in this particular case, we had installed this with the siding package, the portico package, and it all brings the entire front together. You see how nice that looks. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You can also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it.